Ladies and gentlemen, dear teachers and followers, I really thank you for watching the last video. So now I would like to give you the welcome for now lessons that we are going to talk about now. So please, nowadays as teachers, we normally commit to the different behaviors of our students, and there is so many things that are very dangerous for them. That's why, please, we are here as the counselors to help them. So let's begin to the major skills of counseling that every teacher must know, right? So uyu munsi twifuje ko turebera hamwe ubumenyi bw'ingenzi umwarimu cyangwa undi muntu wese yagombye kuba afite, by'umwihariko especially the teachers, by'umwihariko abarimu muri iki gihe ku myitwarire y'abana twigisha cyangwa se n'ibibazo bahura nabyo. Birakwiriye ko buri mwarimu agomba kuba azi ubu bumenyi bwa counseling bukurikira. So please, let's begin reading this book in the Bible. It is Psalm chapter 124, verse 1 to 3. So please, let's begin our major skills of counseling. Major skills of counseling. Please, it is very important for if your professional career is teaching, just make that one as vocational, right? If it is a vocational work, just do it. So, and the supportive techniques or skills to you are those major skills of counseling. So number one is active listening. This active listening, please, it is listen carefully. Listen carefully. Icyo ukwiye gukora cyane kuri uyu mwana ni kumwumva neza, kumva uyu munyeshuri neza ukamutega amatwi. The skill number 2 is attending. Attending, giving full attention. Niba uyu mwana akuganye cyangwa se uyu munyeshuri, please remember that the counseling is required to level, primary level, secondary level, and even university, right? So gerageza kumuha umwanya wawe wose, nta bindi urangariyemo. Umwanya wawe umwumve, ukamwitaho. Here we have a major skill number 3. It is empathy. Repeat after me. Empathy. This is empathy. Understanding another person's feelings. Empathy, understanding another person's feelings. Aha, uragerageza uramwumva bishoboka, kugerageza kumva ibyumviro bye, ukagerageza kwishyira mu mwanya we w'uwo counseling. Number 4, it is what you call reflecting. This reflecting means repeating or paraphrasing what Elena says. Mu rwego rwo kugira ngo yumve kuri kumwe nawe, gerageza gusubiramo ibyo yavuze ukoresheje amagambo yawe bwite. Then number 5 is the genuineness. It is the genuineness. It is written here as this pronunciation is the genuineness. This genuineness is being honest. Being honest. Bivuze iki? Niba uvugana n'uyu munyeshuri, gerageza kuba umunyakuri ku byo uvuga, akugirire icyizere. Number 6, it is the concreteness. This concreteness means being clear, specific. Gerageza kuvuga ibintu mu buryo busobanutse, bufatika. Clear, specific. Number 7, it is sense of humor. Sense of humor. Using appropriate humor to reduce tensions. To reduce tension. Aha uragerageza gukora iki mu gihe uganira n'uwo mwana ukubwiye ikibazo runaka ushaka counseling kugira ngo abashe kubaho when that one is met with the psychological difficulty or problem. Just gerageza nibura watera urwenya bifatika, urwenya rukwiriye rutamusesereza. There is another major skill of counseling, number 8. It is the interpretation. This interpretation means helping learners understand the meaning of their thoughts and feelings. So please, it is very important to interpret this one. Just gerageza gufasha umunyeshuri ukamwumva cyangwa se kumvishe ibyo yavuze, intekerezo ze uzisobanure neza. Gusobanura cyangwa gufasha gusobanukirwa ibyo umunyeshuri akubwira ubisubiyemo mu magambo yawe nk'umuntu as a counselor for that student. So ladies and gentlemen, it is very important for our daily activities. Just when you are teaching, please don't harass the students. Don't use corporal punishment. Just what we want to have to use is the psychological advices. So that one can be disruptive. The student can be a disruptive, can be like someone who has mental disorders because of being affected by the conflict from his or her family. That's why, please, the teacher, you should be careful by counseling your students. So keep watching the videos. I'm together with you, please. If there is another thing that you want to talk about, just you should write in a comment. If it is better, if it is correct, if it is right, just you put it there in a comment. So I really thank you for watching, and I really thank you for your kind attention. Ciao, ciao.